Hello everybody, this is a quick video because I've been getting lots of comments saying, hey, how do you do like your effects and everything? So I'm going to be answering that question, and for the software I only use iPad because I don't have any other devices. So how I like to do my stop motions is I like to have some light, so I usually got a light on. Even if it's like still day out, it's still always nice to have some lighting so you can see figures better, help it focus. So how do you really make a stop motion? Well, for what I do is I usually like put it on a good speed, and then I do that. And for walk animation, and then move the leg off the peg. Hey, that rhymed. And kind of move it around, especially if you're using a fast speed. I recommend you make it like very clear animation, because then if you have it like fast and you go like, except you go ching, 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 then that will be bad because it's gonna look like this, like that. So I recommend you make a clean animation. And for shooting, let's make shooting. And you're gonna want to move the arm, of course. I want to make an animation that looks clean. You never want to make a not that good of a stop motion. So for shooting or effects like blood, it's the same thing. So you move the gun where you want it to be, or your target. Let's grab him. What's up? What you want to do is do this, like move it a little bit, and then move both like parts like that, kind of like move him. And then he'll basically be kind of dead, and you can have a dead body in your stop motion. So then how do I edit that? Well, I will show you. So how do you edit that? So you're gonna see a little button like when you press on frame, like on the bottom, you can press on frame, and there will be an edit button, and you press edit, and then there will be a plus. You'll press the plus, add drawing, have a color like for say blood, and then for a gunshot, get some yellow, go like that. And that's basically how I do my blood things. And then for our audio, if you guys are wondering, audio. So for audio, if most of you don't know how to use audio, for all the beginning stop motionists, because when I was first making stop motions, I did not know audio even existed or effects. And if you're wondering, it will be a little expensive to get effects on stop motion because I'm using Stop Motion Pro, because that's how I get all my effects and everything. So if you're wondering how to get audio, there will be a little mic button. You press that, you click record, there will be a little button. La la la, recording. La la la, recording. Yep, and see? And then it'll be in the stop motion. La la la. And I usually just spam the picture button to make it a little bit longer if your audio is not fully fit. La la la, recording. Like that. So that's basically all I really do for stop motions. And if you have any other questions, leave them to me and I'll probably answer them in the comments. And I'm just making this video for all the young stop motionists and people bothering me about questions that I can't really answer in the comments. Now, as always, keep building Legos and keep making stop motions.